What's a girl name that sounds beautiful to you? Someone can't decide what to name their daughter. As a teacher, all of these names have been ruined for me by a student. Nissan Skyline GT-R R34 V-Spec N1. Emma, short for Eminem. Ember, as in will burn your house down if left unattended. Lucy, short for Lucifer, or May, short for mayonnaise. Worcestershire. Giselle, but my husband killed it and said everyone would call her Giz. Thread full of sci-fi mythology sorceress names, and I'm here liking the sound of Katie. I have a real soft spot for the Italian names Violetta and Liliana. Liz is such a cool name. As in short for lizard. Daphne. My last surviving great-grandmas were named Graciela and Catalina. I think both are really pretty. Violet. Vera. That was my grandmother's name and she was a beautiful woman. 7. Or Soda. Nissan GT-R. Searches for my name. Edit. First ever 1K upvote. I'm never letting this down. Charlotte. It's my grandmother's name. And her closest friends called her Lottie. Which I think is an adorable nickname. Personally, I've always loved Amelia. Greater than. I'm sorry Rem. Less than. My wife's name. Aleja. Aleha. Granted, I'd think her name was beautiful even if it was but lettuce. She completes me. Lucia, which is my crush's name. The eldest daughter in The Sound of Music had a name that I love. Liesel. Shrek 2. Amelia. Bonus points for Pond. Freya. Like the Norse goddess. Lyra. Evelyn. Don't know why, but that name just sounds so cute when I hear it. Saroja. Which means lotus in Malay. Slagathor. Mila. I always liked the Wens, especially Tolkien. Arwen. Eowen. Kenwen. Tanwen. Bronwen, etc. Lilith. I think it's such a beautiful name. I'm not religious, so that whole side of it isn't a factor for me, but damn. Love that name. Layla. I love the name Willow. I'm naming my daughter Evangeline. Since the movie Princess and the Frog came out when I was like 9, I always dreamed of having a baby girl and naming her Evangeline so I could sing the song Ma Belle Evangeline as her lullaby and tell her that she's named after the brightest star in the Disney sky. She's due in 11 days. I can't wait to finally meet her. Fiona. I like Ariadne. It's fairly unique at least. Elena. Aurora. Lily and Violet. I like those names. Ella. I don't know why, but to my Swedish ass it's beautiful. Celeste. The most beautiful and romantic girl's name. Persephone. Stella. I know it's old-fashioned, but it's really pretty. I have always been partial to Sylvie. Celine. Saoirse. Despite the difficulty reading it. Walter White. Chlamydia. It would be a horrible name, but it sounds so pretty, if you ignore the meaning. Kratos. Isla. Meg. The short form of Megatron. Ophelia. Sophia. Athena. My real first name is Somerset. I love the way it sounds. Sophie. Incontinentia buttocks. Rose. Atoti. One of the most known African name. Atoti is a name given to beautiful kids. And as they grow, they never disappoint the name. They grow to be beautiful and romantic. Genevieve. Hortense sounds awful in English, but it's beautiful in French. Same with Gertrude. It's soft and lovely in a Berlin accent. Jade. I haven't seen my name here yet. Sabrina. It sounds pretty and looks pretty on paper. Imo. I don't like a lot of things about myself, but I do like my name. Charlotte. I've always loved that name. 'cause it sounds kinda cute. But if I can choose my own name then I like Citlali too. I like my name, Emmeline, M-A-line, frog. Almost every woman name beginning with the letter C. IDKY. For example, Camilla, Celine, Christine, Chloe etc. My nieces have the most gorgeous names. Isabella, Anastasia, Alexandria, Audrey and Amelia. I always like Haley or Lucia. I like the names Agnes, Nora and Rose. Sarai. It sounds both majestic and badass at the same time. Heidi. For some reason I thought I'd marry a Heidi. I did end up marrying a Heidi. Valerie. Jolene. Chaucet. It means sock. Spanish name. Marisol. Marisol means the connection of sea and sun. Make sure you roll the R lol. Alona. Magyar version of Helen. The Uranus moon names: Miranda, Cordelia, Ophelia, Cressida, Rosalind. This must be a trap set by the wife face with monocle. Isabella. Evelyn. Once got my name mistaken for it at Starbucks and seriously considered pretending that was my name. Every time I went. Lorelei, Adeline, Eleanor, Adeline, Irene, Eloise.